So we have to go back to work next week. I've been off for 2 months, y'all. And I had a great vacation. Actually, I did, you know, can't tell, but I did lose 10.4 pounds. I posted a video about that over the last month. Have you lost weight right over the last month?
Yes, I have.
Okay. So this is one of the meals we have. We have a Roger Wood smoked sausage, spinach, and 1/4 of a sweet potato. Okay. I was at Walmart yesterday, and I got some roasted chicken, so we cut it up, and you know, made sure that we had 30 grams of protein per meal. So got that, and I made some okra to put with that. Okay. All right, so my husband cooked up some bacon and eggs, and I put some cauliflower in there. So our goal is to get 30 grams of protein. We did a video about why that's important per meal. Okay, so this is about 26, y'all. The 2 eggs and the bacon, 2 pieces of bacon. Then we have the cauliflower. But a lot of people, and this is not a keto. I can't do keto because it's too low carb. 20 grams of net carbs or less is not gonna work for me because I've tried it and I literally I had to go to the hospital because my potassium was too low, my mineral balance was too low. So we don't do that. We have to have our fiber, and that's what keeps me sane. Actually, this was what we ate for breakfast, but we actually put a low carb wrap with it, which had 1 net carb. They call it a 0 carb wrap. So we have the bacon with scrambled eggs with peppers and some cauliflower here. So we have a variety of meals. Now, I'm not a big breakfast person. So yeah, so that's what we have here.